here in Alpena, Michigan.
Yes, sir.
And your addresses?
913 West Chisholm. We're a kitty corner from the McInerney Chrysler. Dave.
Dave and?
Dave.
Dave and Dave.
Bourbon, directed camping, Russ. I don't know.
We tried torches, we tried grinders, but we finally got it off of there. I'm gonna charge them extra grease, and I'm charging them part like this, and I'm not down on my hands and knees and with the rocks and digging into my knees. Okay, we got the spring in, we got the shock in, we got... This puppy is one of the best headlamps that I have ever owned. So... another knuckle on the other side, and that would drive me nuts. I would want to like go pew 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 lasers. Alright guys, we got it done, we got it done, and I'm christening Wyatt Earp. Look at that baby. Oh yeah. Hello.